It's gentle on the skin. So if you want to use your spoon, you can, but you need to make sure you just apply very light pressure on the skin so that your skin doesn't break and cause more problem like infection. You can definitely find those in your supermarket, or you probably already have it in your kitchen. So one of the things I always like to keep in my so-called pharmacy, TCM pharmacy at home, or the TCM medicine cabinet at home, is ginger. So ginger is one of the herbs that can help to soothe the stomach, strengthen the stomach qi, and then also disperse the external pathogens, so to make you sweat. So a lot of time when flu season, I would like to make a big pot of ginger tea with honey, 5-6 pieces of ginger, and just keep it in the fridge, and then or I'll make it and then keep it in the thermos, and I can drink it throughout the day. And ginger also is known to have anti-inflammatory effect on the joint, on the skin, the GI tract as well. So I always keep ginger at home. And the other thing that I like to keep at home is green onion. I don't know if you like the taste of green onion, but green onion is actually a Chinese medicine. We use it a lot, especially that white part, that white stalk of green onion, 葱白. We use it in the formula that help with the external cold, especially that you have more chills and you just feel cold all the time when you get sick. And usually it's not just for garnish, but I would use it, bone broth, and then sprinkle a lot of green onion on the bone broth to help promote the sweating and also increase the body temperature so that you can fight the illness naturally. And the third one is tea is what I like to keep in my medicine cabinet as well. You can use green tea, black tea. The kind of tea I like to keep in my medicine cabinet is called 普洱茶. It's fermented, aged fermented tea that contains a lot of enzyme in it. And what we use 普洱茶is, of course, you can drink it straight, enjoy the aroma. Well, one of the occasions I like to use 普洱茶 is like discomfort from food poisoning, especially diarrhea or nausea. So I will make very strong 普洱茶 and drink it warm. If I eat out and eat things that doesn't agree with me, I also would use it as a home remedy. Of course, if you're sensitive to caffeine or the chemical in the tea, you probably want to consult your TCM doctor. And the other thing is mint tea. Mint is also a Chinese herb that we use a lot for stomach ache or sinus infection, any upper respiratory allergy or congestion or cold, or helping to focus. Because mint in Chinese medicine is floating, it's light, and it goes to external. So when we feel kind of heavy in the head, cannot think straight, we'll use mint as well. Last but not least is gua sha. Of course, you can get it from Amazon or any Chinese medicine pharmacy, a small plate that you can do a scraping or gua sha on the skin, along the lymph, or along the muscle. It can help to break the scar tissue. It can help to drain the lymph and also help with the detoxing on the skin. However, if you cannot find that, there's one thing you can definitely have at home. It's called a spoon. Any type of spoon can be used as gua sha. I'm sure you have it at home. However, the material that they use to make gua sha is usually, it could be wooden, it could be stone. So it's gentle on the skin. So if you want to use your spoon, you can, but you need to make sure you just apply very light pressure on the skin so that your skin doesn't break and cause more problem like infection. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me, and I'll see you soon.